Seven reasons why I love you. You have seen me at my worst, yet still love me. You know how to cheer me up. I can trust you with anything. You are always there for me. I love you because you are my person. I love you because you are my everything. And did I tell you I love you because I love you?
I didn't fall in love with you on the first sight. I fell in love with you every time I saw you, every time a little more. I fell in love with you in each and every step of our lives. If there is such a thing as soulmates, then you're truly mine. I walked into life with you, with my eyes wide open, choosing to take every step along the way, and I would choose you. In 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds, in any version of reality, I would find you and I would choose you. Baby, I love you so much.
تو پرستو، تو زیباترین فرد روز و شب زندگی منی و من با تو همه چیزو قشنگتر میبینم، قشنگتر حس میکنم. تو نور قلب منی. پس من البرز اینجا به تو قول میدم که در کنار تو هر لحظه از این زندگی رو با عشق جشن بگیرم.